So we have a problem f from r plus 2 minus 5 comma infinity f of x is equals to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. We need to prove this function is invertible and also we need to find inverse of this function. So to prove this is invertible, we need to prove it is 1 1 and on 2. On 1. To prove it as 1 1, we need to assume f of x1 is equals to f of x2. So what is f of x1? 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equals to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. So now we need to prove x1 is equals to x2. When it is quadratic equation, it's not easy to prove. It is 1 1 and on 2 immediately by cancelling some terms. Therefore I will make these terms of perfect squares. So here we have 9x1 square. What is the square root of 9x1 square? Immediately we can write 3x1 plus, since the second term is plus 6, already we have 3x1. In that formula it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore in place of this 2ab, already 2 into 3x1, 6x1. Therefore in place of this b we should have 1 the square. Suppose if I write 3x1 plus 1 the square, then it is 9x1 square plus 6x1 plus 1. So in this step I will cancel minus 5 and minus 5. Now 3x1 plus 1 the whole square means 9x1 square plus 6x1, but plus 1 is the extra term. Therefore to balance that I will write minus 1. Similarly this side I can write 3x2 plus 1 whole square minus 1, because we have 9x2 square plus 6x2. This is 9x2 square plus 6x2 plus 1 in this perfect square plus 1. To balance that minus 1, again I will cancel minus 1 and minus 1. Then we have 3x1 plus 1 the whole square is equals to 3x2 plus 1 whole square. We can cancel square and square. Then we have 3x1 plus 1 is equals to 3x2 plus 1. We can cancel 1 and 1. We can divide both sides by 3 and 3. Therefore x1 is equals to x2. Therefore for all x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus f of x1 is equals to f of x2 implies x1 is equals to x2. Therefore this function is on one function. Next, for on 2. So for on 2 we need to assume y is equals to f of x. So here y is equals to f of x is 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Again I will make it perfect square. This 9x square plus 6x can be written as 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1, because 3x plus 1 is 9x square plus 6x plus 1. To balance that minus 1, but this minus 5 is an extra term. Therefore we can write y is equals to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. But our intention is to find the value for x. Therefore we can write y plus 6 is equals to 3x plus 1 the whole square. Therefore 3x plus 1 is equals to square root of y plus 6. This is by taking square root on both sides. Therefore 3x is equals to square root of y plus 6 minus 1. Therefore x is equals to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Now we have to observe whether this function is onto or not. We need to choose values from minus 5. The first value is minus 5. If you put y is equals to minus 5 plus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. That belongs to r plus. If the first value itself belongs, then you can choose the values minus 5 to infinity means you can choose minus 4. If you choose minus 4 plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is 2. Root 2 is some value. 1 point something minus 1 divided by 3. Again it belongs to R plus. You don't get negative values for this x by substituting y from this value. Therefore we can write for all y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, there exists x belongs to R plus such that y is equals to f of square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Therefore this function is 1 1 and on 2, hence it is bijective, hence it is invertible. Therefore f inverse is a function from minus 5 to infinity to R plus, defined as f inverse of y is equals to square root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3, or f inverse of x is equals to square root of x plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So meanwhile, don't take this square root to this minus 1. So many of you consider this square root for minus 1 also. Now I will take a simple value. Suppose if I put x is equals to 1, then if you put x is equals to 1, then it is 9 plus 6 minus 5. So 15 minus 5, 10. Put x is equals to 10 here. Suppose if you put x is equals to 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Therefore this answer is correct.